Get perfect rainsuit for your kids. Choosing the best rain gear for kids can make a huge difference in your rainy day play. When your kid wears the right gear, splashing in rain puddles and making mud pies is one of the great joys of childhood. If you are looking for affordable, quality kids' rain gear, then you could not go any wrong with Rioco Kidswear. Here are some features to consider in kids' rain gear. Jacket length. The longer the jacket, the more coverage it provides. Most jackets are waist length, but a few come down to cover the hips. Closures on cuffs, waists, hems, and hoods. Elastic closures help seal in warmth without the fuss of adjusting cords or tabs. Adjustable closures seal better, though. Warm liners. Some jackets include a lightweight fleece liner for added warmth. Find children's cute and pretty raincoats at the very best prices only on Rioco Kidswear. For more latest updates, visit our website.